So for the second part of our revision session 2, we're looking at all 4 operations. So there's many different ways that people remember the order for doing this. So some of you might have heard of BIDMAS. Some might have heard of BODMAS. BODMAS. Some of you, particularly my class, might have heard of PEDMAS. Or even in America, they do PEMDAS. Now, I think the best thing to do is you can either learn one of these acronyms or just remember my little face. So let's do divide here. So depending on which one you're doing, this letter will go in the middle. So I like to have E. So the first is that you need to do any brackets or parenthesis. Then you need to look to see if there's any indices or any exponents. So that's when something is squared. So it might be something like 3 squared, or it might be 3 to the power of 5, something like that, where it's got that small number to the right hand side of it. And then we've got divide and multiply, add and subtract. Now you'll notice all of these have division, but then this one has multiply. And what that is because these, it doesn't matter which way around you do them. That's why I've got them on the arms, because they're on the same level. And same with addition and subtraction. So I'm going to keep my little man there. So let's say I've got 8 plus 4 multiplied by 3. I need to look at what operations do I have? Well, I've got addition and I've got multiplication. So I need to go down. Do I have any brackets? No. So actually I'm going to do my PEDMAS. So do I have any parentheses? No. Do I have any exponents? No. Do I have any division? No. I have multiplication, I have addition, but I don't have any subtraction. So that tells me I need to do my multiplication first and then my addition. So this is my multiplication. So I've got 8 plus 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. Then I do my addition, which leaves me with 20. I'm going to rewrite my PEDMAS. Again, you can use BIDMAS, BODMAS, PEMDAS, whatever suits you. So then I've got 12, subtract 4 plus 2. Do I have any parentheses? Yes, I do. Exponents? No. Division? No. Multiplication? No. Now addition, yes, I do have addition, but I've already included that in my parenthesis, so I'm not going to have that one. And then I've got subtraction. So first things first, I need to do whatever is inside my brackets. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And then I do my subtraction. 12 take away 6 equals 6. Then I've got 5 plus 6 divided by 2, subtract 1. No parentheses, no exponents. I've got a division, no multiplication, addition and subtraction. So I'll start with my division. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I've now got 5 plus 3, subtract 1. Now these I can do any way round, however, always start from the left hand side. So 5 plus 3 is 8, take away 1 will give me 7. Let's do 19 take away 3 squared multiplied by 2 plus 5. PEDMAS. Do I have any parentheses? No. Exponents? Yes, because this is an exponent here. Division? No. Multiplication, addition and subtraction. So now I've got quite a few of them in here. So I need to be very careful on how I do this. So I start with my exponents. So I've got 19 take away 3 squared is just 2 of the 3's with a multiplication sign between them. So 3 times 3 is 9. So that's my first step. And you'll notice that I do a line for each of these. I start a new line so that I don't get confused. Then I need to do my multiplication. So 19 take away 18 plus 5. Then, again, just like before, these two I can do either way, but you should be starting from the left-hand side. So 19 take away 18 will give me 1 plus 5 will give me 6. Then let's do one more. 9 divided by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4. Do I have parentheses? No. Exponents? No. Division? Yes. Multiplication? Yes. Addition? Yes. Subtraction? No. So I need to start with either my division or my multiplication. It doesn't matter which. However, I'm going to use division first just because it's first here. So 9 divided by 3 will be 3. So 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4. Then I need to do my multiplication. 3 plus 8. Then my addition. So that will leave me with 11. Okay, now you're going to have a go. Let me write my PEDMAS here in case you want to use it. Again, remember you can use BIBMAS, BOBMAS, PEMDAS, whatever it is that helps. So number 1, 12 subtract 4 multiplied by 3. Number 2, 2 squared plus 15 divided by 5. And number 3, 13 take away 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3. So pause the video and have a little go at those, and then press play and we'll go through them together. Okay, so for number 1, we have got subtraction and we've got multiplication. So I need to start with my multiplication. So it's going to be 12 take away 12, which will leave me with 0. Give it a tick if you got it correct. Number 2, so 2 squared plus 15 divided by 5. I've got exponents, I've got addition, and I've got division. So I'm going to start with my exponents. 2 squared is the same as 2 multiplied by 2, so that's 4. And then my division. And then my addition. And then for your final one, you had 13 take away 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3. So I've got parentheses, I don't have exponents, I don't have division. I'm not including multiplication because that multiplication is a part of my parenthesis. I've got addition and I've got subtraction. So let's start with my parenthesis. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Then again, either way around, but I always start from the left. So 13 take away 4 is 9, plus 3 is going to give me 12. Excellent, good work. Remember to rewind, pause, whatever you need to do to make sure that you're understanding these.